So today, John is doing a Stitch Fix. He is actually going to go onto the website, he is going to sign himself up, get himself an account, and he's going to order a load of jeans. So let us go through the process as John tackles the website. Actually, it's not, there's no tackling involved, it's very, very easy. But I just thought it'd be interesting to see a man's perspective on Stitch Fix UK.
How do I feel about shopping? Well, I mean, quite frankly, I do it because I have to, not because I enjoy, you know, how much time and effort do I put into getting the right look? I would be exaggerating if I said oodles. How often do I try out the latest styles and trends? Yeah, okay.
I'm looking forward to doing the style shuffle.
I'm sorry, what? Is that a new dance move? Bottom. Shapely. No, sorry. What? Yeah. What do they mean bottom? What, sort of trousers or?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. How would I describe my body type? Hubba hubba. How do I like my jeans to fit? No, not skinny. That's just wrong on so many different levels. How long do I prefer my shorts? They don't have a budgie smuggler option. No, sorry.
Style shuffle's happening. I'm not getting a chance to edit this whatsoever and say, well, actually, I think you should wear that. That looks really nice. No, he's not giving me a chance.
Well, it's for me, isn't it?
Yes.
You know, it's not for you.
No.
No, it's my Stitch Fix. So.
Right, now we just have to wait for the order to arrive, and that will be in the second part of this video coming right up. Let's see what they send him. John's Stitch Fix has arrived. This is a mail Stitch Fix box. Let's see what jeans they've sent him.
Oh, no, these look promising. Oh, I like the look of these. I did request something in a deep terracotta colour, and it looks like they've come through in it. I did a pair of black chinos by Jack and Jones. Got a pair of green chinos. I think I could get to like these a lot. These are selected on as well. A-frame jeans, sort of a slight...
Like wash denim.
Yeah, like wash denim, and looking very promising.
I can see him keeping them all, unfortunately, because they're all so different.
These are the A-frame jeans, and they fit really well. I think they're slightly slender fit, which is okay with me. Having lost the weight, I'm feeling good about that. And does my bum look bigger then? And very, very, very comfortable. I mean, you know, because sometimes new jeans are a bit scratchy. No, it fits like a glove and feels like one as well. So yeah. Right. So here we've got the selected Paris straight fit chino, dark green. I'd say just slightly darker than olive. Once again, lovely. Really nice material, and the movement. Yeah. I'm loving these as well. Once again, you've got to have the check there, Donnie.
Yeah, they fit you well.
Okay. I have to seek your approval on these, you know. Yes, and £55. So yes, I think we've got another keeper here. And once again, material is lovely. It's wonderful. I think. What do you reckon, Donnie? Yeah. These once again, I think my stylists have done very well. Because I've got stretch. There's no sort of catching or uncomfortableness when I'm stretching. So yeah, looking good to me. I'm liking these. These are selected on again, an indigo colour, and the style is Slim Leon, and they're wonderful. I mean, you know, bendy and stretchy. And so I asked for a pair of jeans or trousers in a dark terracotta colour, and this is them. And wow, I mean, what a fit! Loving the material, and the Jack and Jones Marco Chino.
What have you decided?
I've decided I'm going to keep all 5 pairs. Thank you. Definitely, the material in every single item is wonderful. All of them in their own particular way are wonderful. The fit, the material, the style, deep terracotta colour, absolutely superb. Stitch Fix, 5 winners.
So if you had, because the thing is, you had asked for a variety. You hadn't asked for just 5 pairs of denim jeans. If you'd asked for 5 pairs of denim jeans, you'd probably have kept 1 or 2, wouldn't you?
Yes.
Because you asked for a variety, you have got a whole heap of variety, and so liked them all because they all offer something different.
Yes, indeed. Yeah.
And pricing?
Pricing between £30 and £60 per item. I mean, normally when I'm buying jeans or trousers, I'm fairly utilitarian. I'm not a fashion hound or whatever. So function over form. These meet both of those categories as far as I'm concerned. Function, they'll last me quite a while anyway, but also form and style. So yeah, wonderful.
And how about the fact that you didn't have to go to the shops? They've all come the right length for you. They all fit you around the waist.
Not having to go to the shops, especially with things the way they are at the moment with coronavirus, you can't go and try anything on anyway. So this is ideal. Try them on in the comfort of your own home. What you don't want, what you don't need, you send back. Yeah, it's a very good concept, even for us blokes, you know. So brilliant.
Quite a modern fit for him, but he has just lost 1.5 stone of weight, and so you know, his jeans were hanging off him. So these are nice slim fit, show the new sleek body he's got. So I hope you enjoyed that male version of Stitch Fix. There will be a link down below to John's Stitch Fix that will give you a discount, £15 generally. So do press that if you're interested in Stitch Fix for men, and we'll see you in another video.